How banking works. Banking is actually quite simple. Let's look at this. I loan as an asset to the bank. I Google this, okay? And let's see what it says here. A bank makes a loan to a borrowing customer. The borrower is credited with a deposit in his account. Now, you don't get cash from banks. That's not true. You get like a house or a car. You rarely ever get cash. That like almost never happens, right? Uh, so you get like a house, and you incur a liability, right? For that, you get a loan. Like, here's the thing worth $100,000. Then you get a loan where you're gonna pay that back like $300,000, right? With interest and all. Okay. Let's look at the next sentence. The bank now has an asset equal to the amount of the loan. They just made whatever your loan amount was, they just got cash for that. That's an asset. They have money. That's an asset. And a liability equal to the deposit. See, they get an asset, they get the full cash value, and they get an offsetting. So they're basically have cash, and they're going to get your cash, whatever you get, times 3. So they have money they can get cash against this asset, and a liability equal to the deposit. What? Who got the deposit again? The deposit into your liability. Well, wait a minute. Borrower's credit with deposit, and a liability equal to the deposit. Well then, let's say you get a house or a car, do you see? And they get a liability equal to the deposit. You didn't get a deposit, remember? You got a house or a car. You didn't get a deposit. So see, they just got cash. Pretty good scam, banking, huh? Okay, it's pretty simple. It's a great scam, but you don't want to have to pay these liars who never, every debt is collected illegally, right? They never sign the contract. You go in, you sign. They never sign. There's no contract. So, you made a choice unilaterally to pay them this money that they are now collecting illegally because there's no contract. If you want to get out of that and want to stop paying the banksters, get the debt savior system at Liberty 8. Guaranteed, lots of testimonials, proven to work by myself and many other super happy clients. Okay, it's your turn. Get over there, get the debt savior system. Get rid of that. Whatever money they say they're owed, which they're not owed, and we guarantee it.